Hello children, welcome to online learning classes of Shri Basava Public School. So today we are going to talk about a grammar topic from your textbook, that is determiners. Determiners are words that specify or determine the reference of nouns and noun phrase. Items used in almost every sentence like articles, possessive and demonstratives are all determiners. Several people agreed to what was said before the noun people. The red box has all my important papers. At the beginning of the noun phrase, the red box. Classification of determiners. Determiners may be classified based on the functions they perform. The articles a, an, and the. We know that a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Look, there is a butterfly in the garden. We need an artist to paint all our window glasses. The articles the is used for referring to specific things. The red car is in front of the house is mine. The old man and the young boy went for a walk. Demonstratives. This, that, these, and those. Can you give me this book? Those children are quite naughty. Possessive. Me, your, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Our house is on a hill. Their car broke down in front of the mall. Determiners of quantity or quantifiers. These tell us how much or how many. Some of these determiners are used slowly with countable nouns, while others are used with uncountable nouns. Some examples are a few, a little, all, any, both. Enough, many, more, much, some, whole, several, one, etc. So, with countable, with uncountable, with both. Nouns. Many pencils, much water, all the pencils, water. A few pencils, a little water, some pencils, water. Few pencils, little water, enough pencils, enough water. Several pencils, no water, no pencils, no water. Any pencils, any water. Much is normally used for questions and negative statements. How much wire do we need? It did not take much work to clean this room. We use most with a general plural noun. Most people think it is easy to make money. Most schools today have a computer lab. A singular noun follows the expression many a. Many a young man has aspirations to fame without really working towards it. I have warned you many times about coming late. Determiners of numbers. When we use numbers before noun, they function as determiners. Cardinal number tell us about quantity. We will take few minutes to do. There are 10 packets of noodles and 20 hungry children. When we use ordinal number, first, second, third, etc. as determiners, they show sequences. First impressions are not always correct. We own the third prize at the tournament. Determiners of distribution. The determiners either, neither, each and every show. Distribution. This wall can be either color red or blue. Each member of the team participated enthusiastically. Neither sister is willing to help him. Interrogative determiners. When we ask questions, we use interrogative determiners like where, what, which, and whose. Whose house is this? The sentence is, which painting would you like to buy? So children, after completion of the explanation, the chapter determiners from your textbook, now I am going to move on towards the exercise part from your textbook, page number 63. So, take the pencil in your hand to write all the answers or to fill the dashes in the textbook and need not to repeat it in any notebook. Children, in page number 63, exercise 1, what they have asked us to do. Let's see. Fill in the blanks with suitable determinants given. Determiners given. So, answers are here on your screen. I did not spend dash money on the trip. So, options are much and many. Answer is much. There were not dash men on the field. Options are much and many. Again, answer will be many. See here, money is a noun in the first sentence which is uncountable. So, that's why we have filled uncountable determine, that is much. And in the second sentence, men is countable noun. So, that's why we filled here many. Did you have dash difficulty reaching my place? Difficulty is noun here. Difficulty we can't count. So, we are going to fill the determine much. Next, dash earthworm is dash insect. Answers are an and an because those both nouns are vowel sounds. I shall be back in about dash hour. Answer is an. Dash sun rises in dash east. Sun is also particular noun and east is also particular noun. So, we are going to fill here dash with the definite article, that is the and the. Mid McKinley is dash highest mountain in dash western Cordilleras. Answer is the and the. There are less eggs in the refrigerator today than on that day. Answer is less. Dash is dash man whom I saw yesterday. Answers are this is the man. Yes, answers are this is the man. Dash children are very mischievous. Options these and much. Answer is these children. There is a coat at dash end of the bedroom. Answer is either. Dash team own. Neither team own. No one. Meaning, dash soldier was assigned his duty. Each soldier was assigned his duty. The lady visited the sun. Dash week. The sun, not none. And answer is every. The lady visited the nun every week. The 15 is dash the members are happy to meet the new chairman. All the members. Next, 16. The whole plan flopped. Next, all day I was getting bored at home. The wrestler made use of the little strength he had in him. Now, last one is a few more chances can be given to the child. These are the answers for the exercise 1 from the chapter Determiners. I hope you all have understood this video and explanation. Again, I'll repeat children that when we will meet, again we will discuss this chapter thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching this video.